बच्चों, today we will discuss group number 17 elements. Group number 17 elements are also called as halogens. Halo word means salt and gene means to form. That means they are salt producers. It is consist of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Fluorine, chlorine are quite abundant. Fluorine is present as insoluble fluorides in form of fluorspar, cryolite, fluorapatite. Similarly, the sea water contains lot of chloride, bromide and iodide as sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium salts. Moreover, the seaweeds, they also contain iodine in form of sodium iodide. Now we will discuss the atomic and physical properties of halogen. First of all, the configuration, electronic configuration. Fluorine has an electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p5. Chlorine has neon 3s2 3p5. Bromine has configuration argon 3d10 4s2 4p5. Iodine has configuration krypton 4d10 5s2 5p5. Similarly, astatine, the last member, has a configuration xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p5. Now the covalent and atomic radius. Along the period, group number 17 members have the smallest atomic radii. The reason behind it is a greater effective nuclear charge. As their atomic number is high and the effective nuclear charge is also high, so radius is small. But when we move down the group, the atomic radii goes on increasing, that is due to increase in number of shells and as well as due to increase in screening or shielding effect. Next is ionization enthalpy. Their ionization enthalpy is very high. They have greater ionization enthalpy than that of group number 16 elements, that is oxygen family, but their ionization enthalpy is lower than group number 18 elements, that is noble gases. That means they have higher ionization enthalpy than group number 16 elements while lower than group number 18 elements. And high ionization enthalpy is due to the tendency to as in their outermost valence shell they have ns2 np5 electronic configuration, so it is very difficult to lose electron, rather they want to accept electron. So thus we can say that it is very difficult to remove the electron, hence they have a very high ionization enthalpy. But when we move down the group, the ionization enthalpy goes on decreasing. As you can see in this table, fluorine has a highest ionization enthalpy and iodine has a lowest ionization enthalpy. The reason behind it, as you move down the group, the size increases and screening effect also increases, so ionization enthalpy decreases. Next is electron gain enthalpy. They have strong urge to have one electron because after getting one electron they will complete their octet, thus they attain greater stability. That means here the electron gain enthalpy of all the halogens, that is negative and it is highest. They have strong tendency to accept electron, therefore greater amount of energy is released. And when we move down the group from chlorine to bromine to iodine, the electron gain enthalpy values goes on decreasing because the size is increasing and screening effect is also increasing. But exceptional behavior is shown by fluorine and chlorine. Fluorine should have higher electron gain enthalpy than that of chlorine, but actually you can see in the table that fluorine has electron gain enthalpy minus 333 kilojoule per mole, while for chlorine it is minus 349 kilojoule per mole. That means the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is higher than that of fluorine. The reason behind it is the small size of fluorine. As we know that electron gain enthalpy is nothing but amount of energy which is needed or given out when an electron is added to neutral gaseous atom. The size of fluorine is small As the electrons are entering into 2p orbital, the incoming electron suffers more repulsion. Therefore, it is not accepted with ease. Hence, the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is lesser negative than chlorine. तो फ्लोरीन और क्लोरीन का जब आप कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो फ्लोरीन की इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी हायर होनी चाहिए थी, किससे? क्लोरीन से. बट what is actually found? Actually, it is found that the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is higher than that of fluorine. The reason behind it is, in case of chlorine, the electron is added to 3p orbitals, and 3p orbitals are bigger in size than that of 2p orbital. Hence, the incoming electron suffers less interelectronic repulsion. It is accepted with ease. Thus, greater amount of energy is released. Hence, out of fluorine and chlorine, the chlorine has higher electron gain enthalpy. Next is electronegativity. Electronegativity decreases down the group as shown here. Next, hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy also depends upon the size. It also depends upon the nuclear charge. Fluorine being smallest in size and has a highly intense negative charge, therefore it will be having highest hydration enthalpy, and the magnitude of hydration enthalpy decreases down the group. तो यहाँ पे जो हमने सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात पता करी वो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी से ही रिलेटेड थी, और इस क्वेश्चन को आप नोट भी कर लीजिए, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है सीबीएसई के हिसाब से. मैं आंसर यहाँ से एक बार रीड कर रही हूँ. The negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. It is due to small size of fluorine atom. As a result, there are strong interelectronic repulsion in relatively small 2p orbitals of fluorine. Thus, incoming electron does not experience much attraction. Next question is NCERT question. Halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy. The reason behind is the small size and high effective nuclear charge. Next is physical properties. Halogens में जो फ्लोरीन और क्लोरीन है, they are typical gases. Bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid. We know that as you move down the group, the size increases, the mass also increases, and the magnitude of van der Waals forces also increases. Fluorine, because of its small size, the magnitude of van der Waals forces will be the least, so it is a gas, while iodine, which has a biggest size, so magnitude of van der Waals forces will be maximum, hence it is solid. Similarly, the melting and boiling point steadily increases with increase in atomic number. Again, the same reason, that is due to increase in the magnitude of dispersion forces. Next is all the halogens are colored. For example, iodine, which is purplish in color, bromine, which is reddish orange in color, chlorine, which is greenish yellow in color, and fluorine, that is yellow in color. The reason behind it is the electron in the p orbital, it absorbs the energy from the white light, while the remaining is the color of that halogen. Next very important thing to be noted is the bond dissociation enthalpy of fluorine is lesser than that of chlorine. आपको लगता होगा कि फ्लोरीन का साइज़ छोटा है तो ओवरलैपिंग इफेक्टिव होनी चाहिए, जिस कारण से जो बॉन्ड है फ्लोरीन और फ्लोरीन के बीच में ये स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए था. एक्चुअली इट इज़ ऑब्जर्व दैट द बॉन्ड बिटवीन फ्लोरीन एंड फ्लोरीन इज़ वीकर देन दैट ऑफ क्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन. That means XX bond dissociation enthalpy of chlorine is higher than that of fluorine. The reason is the large interelectronic repulsion among lone pair of electrons in fluorine molecule. The bond dissociation enthalpy of fluorine is much more lower than that of chlorine. आपको लगता होगा कि फ्लोरीन का साइज़ छोटा है तो फ्लोरीन के जो बॉन्ड्स हैं वो स्ट्रॉन्गर होने चाहिए क्लोरीन से, बट fluorine is showing the exceptional behavior. It has lower enthalpy of dissociation as compared to chlorine atoms. तो रीज़न क्या है यहाँ पे? इसका रीज़न है कि in case of fluorine the atoms are small in size, Due to small size of fluorine, there are large electron repulsion among the lone pair in fluorine molecule. आपने फ्लोरीन का लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर देखा होगा, जिसमें फ्लोरीन और फ्लोरीन के बीच में एक बॉन्ड पेयर है और दोनों फ्लोरीन के पास 3 लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं। तो एक फ्लोरीन के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं लोन पेयर के, वो दूसरे फ्लोरीन के लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को रिपेल करते हैं, जिस कारण से फ्लोरीन के बीच के बॉन्ड जो है वो वीकर हो जाता है। Thus, we can say that the low bond dissociation enthalpy of fluorine is due to large electron repulsion among the lone pair in fluorine molecules, as the lone pair of electron in fluorine is much more closer due to small size of fluorine atom. Another question which is very important, that is fluorine, no doubt it has a less electron gain enthalpy than chlorine, but still fluorine is a stronger oxidizing agent than chlorine. The reason behind it is the low bond dissociation enthalpy of fluorine and high hydration enthalpy of fluoride ions. Oxidizing character depends upon 3 factors. First factor is bond dissociation enthalpy, second factor is electron gain enthalpy, and third factor is hydration enthalpy. In case of fluorine, low enthalpy of dissociation of FF bond and high hydration enthalpy of fluoride ions make a fluorine stronger oxide. Chemical properties of halogens. First is oxidation state. All the halogens, they show -1 oxidation state, while chlorine, bromine, iodine, they show higher oxidation state like +1, +3, +5 and +7. That is due to excitation of electron from s and p orbital to higher d orbital. As you can see here, in first, the ground state configuration of any halogen is written here. It contains only one unpaired electron, so it shows a oxidation state either -1 or +1. In first excited state, one electron get excited to d orbital, therefore it will show +3 oxidation state. When 2 electrons from p orbital get promoted to d orbitals, at that time it will show +5 oxidation state. And if 3 electrons are promoted to d orbital, at that time, as you can see in third excited state, it has 3 unpaired electrons, so it will show oxidation state of +7. Next thing observed is the highest oxidation state is shown in the compounds of chlorine, bromine and iodine with either oxygen or with fluorine, because they are highly electronegative element as well as they are strong oxidizing agent. तो हाईएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट जो है हेलोजन के कंपाउंड्स में सिर्फ उन्हीं कंपाउंड्स में होती है जिनमें या तो फ्लोरीन हो या फिर ऑक्सीजन हो, क्योंकि फ्लोरीन और ऑक्सीजन जो है दे आर नॉट ओनली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट्स बट दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. तीसरी बात जो यहाँ पे नोट करने वाली है वो ये है कि जो फ्लोरीन है इट शोज़ ओनली -1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, और उसका रीज़न है कि फ्लोरीन के पास कोई भी डी ऑर्बिटल नहीं है, सो इट कैन नॉट एक्सपैंड इट्स ऑक्टेट. Next property is halogens are highly reactive nonmetals. They react with metals and form halides, and their reactivity decreases down the group. That means fluorine is most reactive halogen and iodine is least reactive element in halogen family. Next is they act as a strong oxidizing agent, and among all the halogens the fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent. It is so much strong oxidizing agent that it can easily oxidize halide ions in the solution or even in the solid phase. For example, अगर आप पहली इक्वेशन को देखें तो here it is written F2 plus 2 X negative. X negative can be chloride ions, bromide ions or iodide ions. तो फ्लोरीन एक्ट एज अ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, इट चेंजेस X नेगेटिव इंटू X2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल F2 plus 2 Cl negative changes to 2F negative plus Cl2. Similarly, chlorine act as a oxidizing agent for bromidines and iodide ions. Similarly, bromine act as a oxidizing agent for iodide ions. It get converted into bromidines and I negative is oxidized to iodine. तो यहाँ पे आप लास्ट इक्वेशन में देख सकते हैं कि ब्रोमीन जो है वो आयोडाइड आइंस को ऑक्सीडाइज कर रहा है, खुद ब्रोमीन जो है वो चेंज हो रहा है ब्रोमाइड आइंस में, और आई नेगेटिव आयोडाइड आइन जो है वो चेंज हो रहा है आयोडीन में. Now, what is the reason behind the decreasing oxidizing ability of halogens in aqueous solution? The oxidizing ability of halogen in aqueous solution depends upon the electrode potential, and electrode potential depends upon dissociation enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and hydration enthalpy. For fluorine, it has low dissociation enthalpy but very high hydration enthalpy, which makes it a strong oxidizing agent. As you can see in the equation, fluorine, it combines with water, it oxidizes water to O2 and itself forms HF. Thus, fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen, whereas chlorine, bromine, they react with water and produces hydrohalic and hypohalous acid. For example, if instead of X2 you put in second equation Cl2, so Cl2 plus water, it will change into HCl and HOCl. And third thing about I negative is the reaction of iodine in water is non-spontaneous. It does not take place itself. It takes place only in presence of acidic medium, and at that time you get iodine and water. Now the anomalous behavior of fluorine. Why fluorine shows the anomalous behavior? Like its ionization enthalpy is highest, its electronegativity is highest, its electrode potential is higher, its bond dissociation enthalpy is low. What is the reason behind it? क्यों ये अलग प्रॉपर्टीज़ शो करता है? द एनॉमलस प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ फ्लोरीन इज़ ड्यू टू इट्स स्मॉल साइज, हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, लो बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन एंथैल्पी and absence of d orbitals. That is all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice